Welcome to the assembly video of the Glide EV Ride by Dash Toy. Box includes main body, handlebar, complete fork, rear wheels, axle caps, rear axle, music player, storage box, charger. Hardware. To start with, take the main body, insert the axle through the main body as shown. Install both rear wheels onto the axle from either side as shown. Securely tighten the nuts on both sides of the axle using the spanner. Properly lock the axle cap into place as shown. Insert the complete fork into the main body. Pull the connector out through the handlebar, as shown. Insert the handlebar into the front fork tube, as shown. Using a screwdriver, securely tighten the machine screw and nut, as shown. Connect the main wire connector and the music player connector securely, as shown. Fit and lock the music player head properly into the handlebar slot, as shown. Using a screwdriver, remove the seat fixing screw and open the seat, as shown. Connect the battery connector according to the battery polarity markings, as shown. Secure the seat properly using the screws and a screwdriver. Place the storage box properly into the main body slot, open the storage box and tighten the screw securely using a screwdriver. Charger point, on-off switch. Move forward and backward switch. Accelerate pedal. Now your Glide EV ready to use.